Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this photograph and they've already messed up a cup or two trying to engrave it on a cup. And she mentioned that she got the heart from clip art, and I can almost see the box right there, kind of like a shadow, so that ought to be a telltale sign. She got it off clip art, so I decided to go ahead and make a video because I always make a yellow box and then go up to object, order, put it back in the page, and there's your yellow box, or there's your white background that's showing up. And if on something like this is black and white, you don't have to do anything but trace it. Yours is going to be probably under bitmap, outline trace clip art, and it's going to do it. So we're going to hit OK. To put it back in the exact spot, I'm going to see how big this is, and it's just a little less than 2 inches. I'm going to change my nudge factor to 2, and I'm going to take that shape and move it out of the way. So here's your trace bit. Here's your one you engraved on. First of all, it's blurry, so you're not going to get a very clear line. Second of all, there's the new one with the center of the heart, and we'll go to object, group, and ungroup, and then we'll click on the white. And it is an RGB white, so it shouldn't really engrave, but it's doing it on the borders. So there is your new heart with no background. And then I thought I'd just add, just in case you do not know, that you can draw a heart inside of Corel. Might not look exactly like that, but it'd be a lot safer. Just go to common shapes, or in some versions it'll be called basic shapes. You can hold down the control button. Whoop, it'd help if I grab the heart, and then go up here and grab a heart. And this is kind of like a fat heart, and you can change it afterwards. But it's a heart on a mug, so you know who's going to know which one it is. So you could stretch this out a little bit and have it more closer to your heart. And then this is we're working in millimeters here, and I don't know anything about millimeters, but we're going to bump it up to like 2 in line thickness. Evidently that wasn't enough. Let's make it a 4. That's too much. Let's go to 3. I don't work with millimeters, so I don't know. Let's go 2.5. I must not have hit the right button the first time. Let's go 0.75. So there you have an outline, kind of like that heart. Now, once again, it's not an oval kind of a shape like that one is. But like I said, it's a heart, and you could still change that. We'll go to object and convert it to a curve so we get nodes. Then let's zoom in here, and you can grab this node and make it a little fatter. Now it's kind of, and we can delete this node probably, and you could play around with it till the cows come home. Now to make this, and I don't like that, but you could play around with it to get something that you like. Now to make that symmetrical and make both sides, and it looks really funny. Maybe I went too far with this. There we go, that's a little bit better. But this is why I like working in the center of the page, so I'm just going to move all this stuff out of the way. I'm going to take this and hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then for a second I'm going to turn it into a hairline. So we're going to go up here and turn it into a hairline, so it's just a thinner line. Then I'm going to bring in a line, a 2-point line, holding down the control button to get it perpendicular, and then hit P. I'm going to also turn that into a hairline. I draw in hairlines all the time, and that's the reason. And then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete this side of the heart. You can actually delete that line. Grab your heart, Control D. You need to change your nudge factor to 0, 0, and keep it there. And just for this reason, Control D and make a duplicate. Hold down the Control key and just move this heart over. And then just to play it safe, I would fill it in, and then left click, no fill, right click, outline in black, and then go down to your pen tool and make it I think we went 1.7 or 0.75. It doesn't look as pretty as that one, but you could play with it. But we've already got the problem fixed. I was just trying to suggest something. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.